Hello! I'm hoping you can hear me. I've had nothing but problems with the GoPro recently, and it was all linked to this little cable I was using. Long story, but microphones, GoPro adapters, it's all crap. Anyway, so I've lost a couple of videos really, which is a bit of a shame. So I was out the other night with some of the guys from Small, Old and Slow. It was a great run. It was just 4 of us were out, but it was a great run. We got some cracking weather, really nice light. But unfortunately, because this cable was knackered, I didn't get any sound. So what I'll do is I'll cut in some of the footage over this run, so you can see roughly where we were. So we took a spin up to Gifford, and then we went like up the hills. There's a little back road round the back of Stenton, which you should be seeing here. Really cool little road, grass up the middle and that. I'm surprised it's still adopted, but we're on that. Had fun. Then back along to Garvold, up the hills to Garvold, past the like the monastery, and you go past like the old. I don't know if they're. I think they're starting to do with trains, like the only repurposed railway carriages. But anyway, past them, up the hills, a great viewpoint back down over East Lothian. And then we went back round and sort of down Redstone Rig. We stopped for a few photos here and there. And we were speaking away, and one of the guys mentioned something that a place he used to go in the area. I don't want to say exactly where, because we visited something that's pretty cool and not many folk know it's there. So I'll put some of the footage as riding up to it. If you know what it is or recognise what it is or where it is, keep it to yourself, because it'll just get ruined. It'll just get ruined. Oh, Jesus, nearly got a waft to the mouth. Yeah, it'll just get ruined if too many people know about it. So I showed some of that. The other thing I was doing as part of the run was giving everyone an update, because I've not put a video out for ages. And as I was spinning around the sort of evening roads, I was saying the reason I've not put a video out for ages is because, well, it's summertime. Look at the weather, it's absolutely stunning. Really warm. Well, in Scotland it's really warm for what we're used to. So out and about, like riding the bikes, I don't want to be sitting in front of the computer the whole time. So I've got videos to make from Shetland. I've got videos to make from Clubfest, so they've all come up. I'm just hoping, I've not really checked the footage, I'm just hoping we've got sound for a lot of it. I mean, to be fair, I can do voiceovers and stuff like that, but it's not quite the same. Anyway, videos from Shetland, videos from Clubfest, videos from the Ullapool trip on the big bikes, which I know I've definitely lost sound on that, so I'll have to do another one of these. I'll do a run of the monkey or something and tell you about it, and then just put the run over to music or something. But I'm still making videos. I'm conscious my channel's it's not blown up, but I've got quite a few people watching now. So I do want to try and consistently put out videos, but equally I just don't want to make videos for the sake of making them. I mean, what's the point in that? It'd just be me riding around gibbering and shite like this. So I'll leave you with the last little bit of footage from the other night had sound, so I'll leave you with that. You can see us sort of riding down the hill. It was really nice because we're in up the side of a sort of cornfield. The path was really overgrown, but the light looked amazing. So anyway, here it is. So that's us heading home now. Sun's dipping behind them clouds, so that's that. Oh, fucker. Anyway, remember to hit subscribe. I'll try and get my finger at my arse and get some of those other videos finished, Shetland at least. get some Shetland ones done, get Cubfest one done, and then that'll be me caught up. Oh no, Olive trip as well. And then I'll have to start editing the videos for the Alp trip with the big bike. Oh, it's gonna be... Right, I'll catch you later on. Super light. Mind the stands down.
Aye. Aye, that's, it does look tough. There's no